Introduction. Ira's uncle lives in London. He's come to India to meet his relatives. He's meeting Ira for the first time. He wants to know all about Ira, her friends, hobbies, and favorite food. In this lesson, you will learn to talk about yourself.
Who am I? Hi, I'm Ira. I'm a girl. I am 6 years old. I study in class 1. I go to school in the morning at 7 o'clock. I come back from school in the afternoon at 1 o'clock. Who are my family members? There are 5 members in my family. My father, my mother, my grandmother, my grandfather, and I. I also have a pet. She's a puppy. Her name is Iris. What are my hobbies? I go out in the evening to play with my friends, Rahul and Priya. They are my best friends. I play badminton with them. We also play hide and seek. After playing, we go cycling. When I return home, I will draw and color. What do I eat? It is dinner time. I'm going to eat food with my family. My mother has prepared my favorite dish, pav bhaji. I will also eat mangoes and apples. I love fruits.
Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. We introduce ourselves by telling our names. When we meet new people, we also tell them about our families. When we talk to our friends, we discuss our favorite games and food items.